Candy Ice Cream.
Oh.
No, not quite.
Oh.
I don't have, there's
you
only
want me to pierce your nose?
2 or 3. Maybe. Baby. Including the one on VF, 3 or 4.
She called me a baby. What do you want?
Hey, you just got to be easier, like. That's just like swirling it.
Wow, my nail's digging in my fucking nose. Give me a nail clipper. Are you recording me?
Yes, I am.
Oh, wait.
Shut up. Shut up. Don't move.
Ah! Wait for it! Oh, God. My God. Oh, my God. Ah! That hurts.
Well, it's almost through.
Yeah, it's been almost through in the past hour long.
Until you took it out.
Get away with that goddamn thing! What?
Put your head back.
You really want to look at my nose?
Yeah.
There, boogers up there.
No, actually, it's clean. But it's almost.
Wait.
No, see where it's going through. I don't even see it. It's like cave up there. Sorry, give me a second now. That's a little right on my teeth.
Oh my God.
This is horrible.